How to track your check orders through Discover Bank website. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So have you ordered new checks? Well, here is how to track your check orders on Discover Bank website using desktop. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open any web browser and now here once inside, you can just click on the search bar and simply search for Discover Bank. And now here from the search result, just click on the first link and after that, you'll be prompted to the official website of the Discover Bank. Now here you simply have to log in using your credentials and once logged in from your account dashboard, you have to select your checking account. And there you can just click on account services or manage checks and then look for check order status. And there you will see the details of your latest order, including processing, shipping, or delivery status. And some orders may also include tracking numbers for detailed shipping updates. So there you can check your email as well, and Discover often sends order confirmations and shipping notices. And that's it. That's how you can track your check orders through Discover Bank website. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.